Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 3, sentence types. In our previous videos we have already studied about sentence and the parts of it. And today we are going to learn about kinds of sentences. So let's begin with it. Children, there are 4 kinds of sentences and they are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. I repeat, there are 4 kinds of sentences and they are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. In this video, we are going to study the first kind of sentence and that is declarative sentence. Children, so let's begin with it. What is a declarative sentence? A sentence which says or states something is called a declarative sentence. I repeat, a sentence which says or states something is called a declarative sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Have a look at some examples of it. First one, my name is Goldilocks. I live on a hill. Number 3, Abdul is not working hard. Number 4, Rama is a cricketer. And last is, he does not play football. These sentences states or declares something. Yes, so these are all declarative sentences. Children, declarative sentences can be assertive or negative. A sentence which has no or not in it is a negative sentence. A negative sentence states that something is not true or incorrect. Children, whereas a sentence which does not have no or not in it is a assertive or else you can say positive sentence. Look at these examples to understand it. First one, David is a happy person. And second sentence is, David is not a happy person. Children, the first sentence, David is a happy person, is a assertive sentence as it does not have no or not in it. Whereas second sentence, David is not a happy person, is a negative sentence as it has not in it. Okay. Children, always remember that whenever in a sentence words like no or not are used, it is said to be a negative sentence. Let's see these examples also. I will go to school today. Second sentence is, I will not go to school today. Children, in these sentences, first sentence is an assertive sentence whereas second sentence is a negative sentence as not is used in it. Children, here few more examples are there of assertive and negative sentence. First one, I like to eat noodles. It is an assertive sentence. Second example, I do not like to eat noodles. It is a negative sentence. Third one, I can climb these stairs. Assertive sentence. Fourth one, I cannot climb these stairs. It is again a negative sentence. Fifth one, she will listen to me. It's an assertive sentence. And last is, she will not listen to me. It is a negative sentence. Okay, children. So, with this, you all must have understood what is a declarative sentence. Yes, I hope so. Before starting the exercises of this lesson, we should be familiar with verbs and helping verbs. Children, we have already studied verbs and helping verbs in standard 3rd. Yes, so let us quickly recall it once again. Children, any action performed by a noun or a pronoun is called as a verb. We can say action words are known as verbs. For example, eat, sing, dance, read, wait, etc. are action words. So, they are verbs. Okay. Now, have a look at helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, must, can, may, do, does. All these are called as helping verbs. Children, you know why are these called helping verbs? Because they are attached sometimes to the main verb or they help in forming the correct sentence. So they are known as helping verbs. Okay. Children, you must be thinking why I have recalled you with verbs in this lesson. Yes, children, because when we will do the exercise of this lesson in the textbook, it is very important for you to recognize the verb or helping verbs in the sentences. So now let us quickly start the exercises in the textbook. Before starting exercise 1, let us look at this table which is there in the textbook on page number 15. Okay, page number 15. See here, 2 columns are given. One is of assertive and one is negative. So today in this exercise, in this table, we are going to learn how to change assertive sentence into a negative sentence. As in the explanation video, I have already told you that when we have to change a sentence into negative, no or not is used. Okay. So in this table, we are using not to change the sentence into negative. So let's begin with it. First one, I am busy. Okay. Here what is the helping verb? Children, am is the helping verb. Yes. So when we have to change this assertive sentence into negative, so after am, after the helping verb, whenever there is an helping verb, after the helping verb, we are going to add not to the word sentence to make it negative. So look over here, children. I am not busy. Yes, understood. See, after the helping verb, we have added not to make it negative. It's very easy. I am not busy. Like this you have to do. Okay, children, that's why I said in the video that helping verb and verbs, you should know what is the verb and what is the helping verb. Then only you can do the exercises easily. Okay, now see the second sentence. The milk is pure. Here the helping verb is. Yes, so the negative sentence, when we have to change it into negative, we will write the milk is not pure. Again, see, after the helping verb, we are adding not. Okay. See the third one, the bullocks are strong. Here the helping verb is are. So when we change into negative, it becomes the bullocks are not strong. After are, we are adding not to make it negative. Fourth one, the boy was ill. Here the helping verb is was. So when we change it into negative, it becomes the boy was not ill. After the helping verb, again we are adding not. Last sentence you see, children. The girls were absent. Here, were is the helping verb. Yes. So when we change it into negative sentence, it becomes the girls were not absent. So again see, after the helping verb, we have added not. Okay, so to make it negative. Understood? So now I think you must have understood how to change the assertive sentence into negative. So our first exercise, that is on page number 16. Okay, first exercise. Here we have to change the following sentences into negative sentence. Assertive sentences are given. Children, here we have to change this into negative sentence. So what we will do is, first of all, we will read the sentence. Okay, first one, see, I am late. Here, what is the verb? You can say helping verb. Okay, so that is am. Am is helping verb. So first of all, underline am in the question itself. So when you are changing it to negative, it becomes easy. Okay, then what will be the negative form of it? I am not late. And always remember to write first letter capital and at the end put a full stop. Okay. See the next sentence. We are hungry. Here what is the helping verb? Are. Yes. So when we change it into negative, it becomes we are not hungry. At the end put a full stop. Okay. Third one, hurry is ill. Here is the helping verb. Okay. So now change it into a negative sentence, children. Hurry is not ill. I hope everyone has understood now how to change the assertive into negative sentence. Yes. Fourth one, see, the sums are hard. Here again helping verb is are. Okay, so we will write the sums are not hard. Next sentence you see, this is my house. This is my house. Here helping verb is. So we will write this is not my house. At the end put a full stop. Okay. Next sentence, children. See the next sentence. These cherries are sweet. Here by mistake here full stop is given. So you remove that full stop from here and you put full stop over here. Okay. Now here what is the helping verb? Which is the helping verb? Are is the helping verb. Yes. So we will write these cherries are not sweet. At the end put a full stop. Okay. See the next one. It was hot yesterday. So helping verb is was. So we are going to change it into negative by putting not. It was not hot yesterday. At the end put a full stop. Next sentence, children. It is cold today. Now again helping verb is. So we will write it is not cold today. Okay. Next sentence. I am reading. Helping verb is am. So negative sentence will be I am not reading. Next sentence is he was talking. So was is the helping verb. So here we will write he was not talking. Okay, children, see the next sentence. They were singing. So here helping verb is were. So we will write they were not singing. And last sentence of this exercise is Hari has come back. Helping verb is has. So we will write Hari has not come back. At the end put a full stop. So I hope you have understood the first exercise of this lesson.